You're probably no stranger to virtual communications. In fact, you likely deserve a round of applause for jumping into a medium that may not have been of your choosing. But let's be real for a moment. The initial bar on our virtual communications was pretty low. In fact, there were really just 3 criteria. Can you see me? Can you hear me? And can you see my screen? Virtual presence wasn't even a blip on our radar for many years. But that bar is rapidly rising. And that may be why you're here. You also may be here because you're dealing with the same challenges you had when you started. It's hard to build trust and relationships on video. It's difficult to establish rapport and connect with customers. They don't interact, they don't ask questions, they don't answer questions. And oftentimes, we are the only ones on camera and we're just staring at a black dot where our customers should be. And I know how uncomfortable this is, both as a salesperson and as an actor. And so that's what I put together in this course to provide you some direction and guidance to bring all of that in-person energy and enthusiasm and confidence and pack it into this small space as impactfully as when you are in person.